What if a single molecule could help you live longer, slow down aging, and boost your health, all without needing a prescription? That's exactly what some scientists are suggesting about taurine, a compound naturally found in your body and your diet. In 2023, taurine was suddenly in the spotlight as a potential longevity breakthrough after a major study showed striking results in animals. But how strong is the evidence? And should you be taking it? Let's dive into the science behind taurine, aging, and the hype around this so-called youth molecule. Taurine is an aminosulfonic acid. It's often called an amino acid, but technically it's a bit different. Your body produces it naturally, and it's also found in animal-based foods, especially meat, fish, and dairy. Taurine plays a crucial role in heart function, mitochondrial health, electrolyte balance, nervous system development, immune regulation. But here's the kicker. As we age, our taurine levels drop, both in the bloodstream and in our tissues. And that drop might not just be a symptom of aging. It might be part of the cause. In 2023, a major paper was published in Science by a team of international researchers. They asked a simple but bold question. If taurine declines with age, what happens if we restore it? To find out, they gave daily taurine supplements to middle-aged mice, monkeys, and worms. The results were impressive. Mice lived 10 to 12% longer. Monkeys showed better muscle strength, less fat, stronger bones, and improved immune function. Worms and other model organisms had delayed aging markers. It wasn't just lifespan, it was health span too. Now obviously mice and monkeys aren't humans, but the consistency across species caught the attention of longevity researchers worldwide. So how does taurine work on a cellular level? First, it supports mitochondrial function, the powerhouses of your cells. Healthy mitochondria is equal to healthy aging. It also reduces oxidative stress and chronic inflammation, both major drivers of aging and chronic disease. Taurine may even support autophagy, the body's natural process of cleaning out damaged cells, and it helps maintain DNA stability and stem cell function, both of which decline as we age. Interestingly, taurine may also help the body recover from physical stress, such as intense exercise. It supports electrolyte balance in muscle tissue and may reduce muscle soreness after training. That's why athletes and bodybuilders have been using taurine for years, long before it became known in the longevity space. In short, taurine appears to target several hallmarks of aging, making it a rare multi-action compound. But what about humans? We don't yet have a large clinical trial showing that taurine extends human lifespan. However, we do have strong observational data. Lower taurine levels are associated with increased risk of obesity, diabetes, and cardiovascular disease. People with higher taurine levels tend to have better metabolic health, lower inflammation, and improved cardiovascular function. And here's something fascinating. In regions like Japan and other so-called blue zones, where people frequently live to 100 and beyond, diets are often rich in taurine from seafood and seaweed. So while this doesn't prove taurine extends life in humans, it definitely suggests higher taurine levels are associated with healthier aging. Now, if you want to increase taurine, you have two options: food and supplements. First, taurine-rich foods include shellfish, salmon, turkey, eggs, dairy products. Plant-based diets contain almost no taurine, which could explain why vegetarians and vegans often show lower levels. Second, taurine supplements. Typical doses range from 500 to 2,000 milligrams per day. The human equivalent dose used in the 2023 study was around 3 grams per day, still well within the safe range. Taurine is considered safe and well tolerated, with very few side effects reported. Still, as with any supplement, start low, track how you feel, and talk to your doctor, especially if you're on medication or managing a chronic condition. Now let's talk about how the biohacking world is reacting. Longevity influencer Brian Johnson, known for his ultra-optimized anti-aging routine, includes taurine in his daily stack. Other biohackers combine taurine with compounds like magnesium, glycine, or creatine to support recovery, deep sleep, or mitochondrial function. Some even take it before bed, since taurine may increase GABA activity in the brain, a neurotransmitter that promotes calm and sleep. And for those building a longevity stack, taurine is easy to combine with other interventions like CA, AKG, glycine, spermidine, or NAD+ boosters. It's cheap, low risk, and synergistic with many aging pathways. But don't get your taurine from energy drinks. Yes, taurine is a common ingredient in those, but it's the high sugar and caffeine that make energy drinks unhealthy. Taurine itself may actually help reduce the overstimulation those drinks cause. Also worth noting, taurine is not a stimulant. It won't give you a sudden energy boost. Its benefits are subtle and long-term, supporting better aging, improved cellular function, and metabolic resilience over time. So is taurine the youth molecule we've all been waiting for? The answer is maybe. It's naturally produced by the body. It declines with age. Supplementing it in animals clearly improves lifespan and health span. And in humans, higher taurine levels correlate with better outcomes across multiple health markers. We still need more human research, but taurine is shaping up to be one of the most promising accessible tools in the modern longevity toolbox. It's not a magic bullet, but it's a smart addition for anyone serious about aging well. Want to learn more about science-backed supplements that could extend your lifespan? Check out my videos on CA, AKG, and metformin. And don't forget to subscribe for weekly longevity breakdowns. And as always, have a good one.